Hey everyone, here are 100 essential travel items you should never forget. From passports and chargers to travel pillows and quick dry towels. Whether it's a short gateway or a big adventure, this list has everything you need. Let's pack smart and travel stress-free. Passport. Visa. Travel tickets. Phone. Wallet. Credit and debit cards. Local currency. Charger. Prescription medicines. Travel insurance. ID card. Clothes. Toothbrush. Toothpaste. Suitcase or travel bag. Deodorant. Comb or hairbrush. Sleepwear. Power bank. Reusable water bottles. Backpack. Universal adapter. Sunscreen. Wet wipes. Hand sanitizer. Phone power cable. Basic toiletries. First aid kit. Travel pillow. Comfortable walking shoes. Swimsuit. Weather appropriate outerwear. Flight boarding pass. Luggage lock. Travel pouch or money belt. Copies of important documents. Travel itinerary. Offline maps. Language translation app. Face mask. Camera. Earphones or headphones. E-reader or book. Guidebook. Scarf or shawl. lip balm, pain relievers, insect repellent, hat or cap, extra footwear, Ziplock bags, snacks, luggage tags, sunglasses, itinerary planner app, notepad and pen, travel journal, laundry bag, travel detergent, reusable travel mug, packing cubes, compression bags, toiletry bag, travel games/cards, safety pins, hidden money stash, RFID-blocking card holder, travel sewing kit, nail clipper, extra charging cable, blanket, Daywear like shorts and dresses, coin pouch, currency converter app, extra memory cards, extra camera batteries, small flashlight, travel sized body lotion, extra socks and underwears, travel umbrella, quick dry towel, foldable shopping bag, travel size perfume or deodorant, anti-chafing cream, mosquito net, lint roller, travel safe snacks, mini tripod, extra zip ties, extra passport sized photos, shoe deodorizer, rehydration salts, travel sink stopper, universal sink plug, luggage scale, travel steam iron, sleep tracker, reusable straws, mini swing scissors. If you like our content, please do like, share and subscribe.